Hello, and today we're going to be doing a flyer on our trip to Sweden abroad. So, in our assignment is asking us to make a digital marketing, infographics, and a short video. Basically, what you'll do is you'll come over to Cavandas and you'll pick the infographic blank canvas. After doing this, you'll be able to, it'll come to a page like this. And right here, you just make yourself a little flyer page. Basically, you throw the flag of Sweden, put a little title by adding a text box from here. If you want, you can then go to uploads. You can see a bunch of previous uploaded pictures that you can download from your computer, or basically you go through, have study abroad in Sweden. You could add your SDG pictures from here. Basically, whatever you're focusing on. Put a little bullet points. So you put a little text box right here, and add the body text. And basically, what you could do is you could just put in bullet points. Be like, people are asking, why should you go to Sweden? 1. Advanced in their technology and more. And then basically what we'll do is we'll up the size on that so we can see it. You come right here, do another one. Sweet advance home to some of the most advanced robotics. And basically you could put your things where we're going to the cultural museum, bars, hotel made of ice, and the list can go on. Basically, you could put on here the list of things you're going to go see, things about Sweden, and you can put down at the little bottom your little contact info, basically saying, hey, come visit us at our page here, and students will be able to find it. After that, you can hit present graphic info, like resize design, and it'll give you a idea right here. It'll show you right here a picture of the flyer that you've made. That you can print it out, do a cute little TikTok video, real quick short, showing it off to people and help getting out the info. After that, you're pretty much done. I hope this video was informative and you learned a little bit today, and I hope you have a good day.